Today I'm going to show you how to replace your light bulb in your tail light housing on a 9904 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Today I'm putting in the turn signals. I'm waiting on the relays to come in, so they will hyper flash for now. I'm not worried about it. But I've already installed both LEDs. I'm going to actually swap one of the incandescent bulbs back in so that we can actually see the difference. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll show you how to take apart this side, since I started on this one already. And then that way you guys get an idea of what you're looking at. It's super easy. So let's see if I can prop this up without dropping it. We got two screws on the inside, one here and one here. Those are going to come out, obviously. And real quick, so we're not there yet, but we are going to use some silicone on the nipple that holds the tail light into place, just to make it easier to get in and out. But right now, we got this trim piece off with the two screws. There's only thing left holding this on is a nipple, which I'll show you. Let's get this pulled out first. All right, here we go. Take a look at this nipple real quick. So you can see where it mounts and the nipple. So as simple as pulling this straight back. First couple times can take a little bit of some pulling. Put some silicone lubricant on there, make it easier. I'm going to try and do this one hand. Bear with me, guys. I am not a filmographer or photographer or anything. I'm just some dude with a camera. And a Jeep that needs lots of work. But that's what I'm here to show you. I'm trying to pull this middle bulb, which is the turn signal. The top bulb is the brake light and running light. The bottom light is your backup light. I have this out. There it goes. That's the LED turn signal that I used. These were fairly highly rated, tens of thousands of 4.5 star reviews on Amazon, so I figured why not try them. So far they've been great. But let's swap this bulb for one of those and we'll check out the difference. So I'll be right back with you. And there we go. Back to the old school stuff. So with that, we're going to line this up like so. I keep hitting the wrong button on my phone. Alright, bear with me. I'm going to put this in. Alright, I slid it in, and all I need to do is turn it to tighten it in place. Now, reverse process, we're going to line this nipple up with this hole here, slide it straight back into it, and wrong way, that is the right way. Sorry guys, I'm an amateur, I know. And we're going to pop this back into place. Bam, it's in there. Take our trim piece, our two screws. You know what? I'm not going to finish installing that. You can see how that's done, obviously. So let's go ahead and turn on the hazard so we can compare these two. So the one on the light, you can tell is definitely a lot slower to light up, and it's not as bright. Whereas the LED on the left is an instant on, instant off. Over this end, you really can't see that one. This one, you still see pretty well. But that's that. Definitely make sure you go and pick something like this up. They're less than 20 bucks. They're not bad on Amazon. You do want to spend the money. It's less than $10. Get a pair of 50 watt 6 ohm load resistors, and you'll wire those between your ground and your turn signal. I just knocked that down. And that'll prevent the hyper flash. And you know what? Let's go ahead and, for those that don't know what it is, I will gladly show you. Hyper flash. So that's what'll happen if you install an LED turn signal that's meant to have an incandescent bulb. There's not enough load, so the light thinks it's out, so it flashes quickly. In this case, there is a light there, so I need to put a load resistor on it to make it think that there's an incandescent bulb, and then the problem will be solved. So that's about it for today. Quick and simple. I know it's just turn signals. So as you can see, it's super easy to do. Definitely get the load resistors, 50 watts, 6 ohm. They're less than 10 bucks. They'll get rid of that fast flash, and you'll be able to be seen better, which is always a good thing. Safety's always nice. So as long as you guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them. The front's losing its mind because of the back. These are all LEDs. All right, let's wrap it up.